Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share the full climate control in a Honda Accord 2007, which actually belonging to the generation 2003 to 2007 model. And in this case you can see that we can control anything you see from here: the position, air conditioner on off, dual climate control, and this is the correct climate control. So when we connect here and we control here on this side, actually it's very cold here, okay, here, and this one is warm here, so it's correct side, not like the panel. The panel actually is on reverse way, so this one is controlling this and this one controlling this. So you can see that that's because of the hardware, that we cannot change it, but the software here, all the firmware here running beautifully and correctly, we set up for the car. So if you want to control those one correctly, just go into the setting here and you control it from here, okay? So that's the full climate control on the screen. Easy. Yep. So yep, that's the way we control the system, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.